Hey, what's up everybody? I'm out here about to ride on my bike for its very first voyage, but I want to do something before I do that, so check this out. I went to the hardware store, picked up some of this tape, and I'm going to be applying it on the top of my chainstay here so I can protect it from getting slapped. Now I know what a lot of riders do is use like an old tube, or maybe they use bar tape, but I'm going to be using this electrical tape because I feel like it'll just stick a little bit better and look a little slimmer. You should be able to pick up this tape at any hardware store. It's like a type of electrical tape. It's nice and thick. Just kind of see. Get the length I'm going to use. The nice thing about using this tape is that it is so simple. All you need is a knife or a pair of scissors to cut the tape to the size that you need. Now ideally I probably should have used some rubbing alcohol and wiped down the frame first, but I think it's going to be alright. The adhesive on the tape was rather sticky and the temperature that day was quite hot, so it was pretty much instantly sticking and forming to the shape of the frame. Now I was making sure that I avoided putting the tape on or over the internal routing slots and cables. But in my opinion, using this 2228 tape is the better option. The roll costs less than $15 for over 10 feet of tape. It is easy to apply, and to be honest, I just like the way it looks. And as you can see, I just use a pair of scissors to cut the tape again to the size that I needed. Then you just have to press and smooth the tape down. Most of the other techniques I saw in other videos use an old tube or bar tape to wrap the chainstay. Now usually they still have to apply electrical tape or zip ties to secure it to the bike anyways. Oh dude, I like the way that looks. So I read in the comments of one of those videos about using this Mastic 2228 tape, and that was just more of my style. Now I didn't want something that would draw a lot of attention towards the chainstay. I really just wanted something that was durable and that was going to protect the frame. But the packaging says the tape has excellent resistance to moisture and is made for extreme weather conditions, so I'm confident it's going to hold up through the trail rides, and I love the way it looks. So now, the frame will be protected when the chain wants to come and bounce and slap on it. And I should be able to just take a heat gun and peel this tape right off if it needs to. But one thing that's really great about this tape is that it's durable, it's water resistant, and it's like going to hold up to all the dirt and grime that you come across on a mountain bike trail. So I appreciate you watching this. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any more suggestions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. We're always willing to learn more and whatnot. So I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate it.